Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Tuesday, the last day of the October 2023. We are going to take a look at the Bitcoin to Tether at Zondacrypto. As you can see, this is a daily time frame chart and we can pretty much see very nice bullish impulsive movement to the upside. So the recent high was made at the level of 35,111 tethers. So this is our swing high. And of course, just because it is a swing high, it will act as the typical resistance, technical resistance, of course. So let me just zoom out to see what are the nearest data here. As you can see, we pretty much tried to move lower, but the market bounced from the level of 33,000, and right now we are still trading above the level of 34,000, very close to the recent highs at 35,111 tethers. So the outlook remains, of course, bullish in that situation, and that's just because the momentum is very strong these days. Let me just switch the RSI indicator. 31,562 is the nearest technical support. It's been tested already on 24th of the October. So this level will act as a support, of course. And if we apply some sort of the indicators like RSI, you can clearly see that this market is way extended to the upside. So we hit the extremely overbought market conditions, extremely overbought market conditions. So now it's time for some sort of the pullback. For now, pretty much 2,111 tethers had been, let's say, corrected. That's not too bad, and we are waiting for more. Otherwise, the outlook remains bullish because momentum is strong, is positive, market conditions are extremely overbought. Nevertheless, bulls are in control of this market. If we take a look at the moving average cross and we change this cross to a little bit larger inputs, like 100 and 200, we have, of course, like a bullish cross. This bullish cross occurred around the level of $28,000. So since then we got way away from this level, and we've been testing the level of 35,000 tethers. So what is the next outlook for the Bitcoin to the Tether? Basically, we want to see some kind of a consolidation of the recent gains, maybe some sort of the movement here and there, because this market is still, as I said, extremely overbought. So by doing this, we might expect the market to give the undecided market participants a little bit more time to join the rally and then finally break out way higher than it is right now, because this movement to the upside is still not the end of the impulsive wave progression. So some sort of the consolidation above the technical support level, intraday technical support, and then movement to the upside is expected. This might be the first preparation for the incoming halving of the Bitcoin. So the market is positioning itself ahead of this event, and as you can see, as usual, bulls are in charge of this market. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. So take care and bye bye.